Welcome back. I hope you are enjoying this Learn to Code series, and if you are new, I'm Jane from Computer Science Cafe. During the next 5 minutes, I am going to take you through using while loops. I will leave you with a coding challenge at the end of this video. Enjoy and please click like and subscribe. Let's get started. To talk you through how while loops work, I am going to create a mini program to check if a password is entered correctly. If the password is not entered correctly, then the program will continue to loop. The good thing about while loop is I don't need to know how many times the user will try. So here, if I create a variable called password and then assign the value QWERTY, I then need a method or flag to allow my while loop to start. A popular exam question is, what's the difference between for loop and a while loop? To answer this question, the for loop will always iterate at least once, whereas the while we may never iterate because it may never start. It will loop dependent on a preset value or flag. Here I am going to create a flag which will allow my loop to start and cause it to finish when the correct password is entered. I will use a Boolean operator, true or false. So I will create a variable and call it checkPassword. Here I will make it equal to false, and then when the password is correct, I will make checkPass equal true. I can now do while checkPass is equal to false. We can see here how the flag is used to allow the while loop to start, as the condition of the flag is equal to the test condition. If checkPass did not equal false, then the while loop would never start. Now I want to ask the user to enter their password. So let's create a variable and call it enter password and make that equal to an input and give the prompt brackets, speech marks, and please enter your password, and a space at the end to make it neat. Next, let's do an if statement to check if the password has been entered correct. So, if enter password is equal to password, then do. Then we can just give the user a print statement to let them know it is correct. This will check if the password the user types is the same as the password we stored at the start. So print, OK, correct. The next thing we need is a way to break this while loop if the password has been entered correct. If this line is printed, then the password must be correct because it passed the if statement. So on the next line, still inside this if statement, we can simply make checkPassword equal true. This will break the loop as the while loop parameters are no longer met. The last thing to add here is a prompt to the user if they enter the wrong password. We can do an else statement. Remember, else has no parameters, and then we can do a simple print statement, such as, you entered an incorrect password, please try again. Okay, cool, this should be ready to test. Trying a few incorrect passwords, we should see that the wrong password prompt is given, and the loop continues to ask the user to enter the password. Now entering the correct password and bam! It works as expected. Whilst there are many different ways of using while loops, I hope this demonstration has helped you to learn the principles. You are now well on your way to becoming a coding hero. Please drop me a comment, and next I will leave you with a while loop coding challenge. Be sure to check out the next video, which looks at using lists in Python.
Can you create a random number guessing game? Use Python to generate a random number with the code given here. Then creating a score system. Then, while the score is greater than 0, allow the user to play the game. If you need more help with this task, then check out computersciencecafe.com. And pause this video now if needed. Good luck and have a great day.